Welcome, genius in the making. Most people use the same old boring page numbers in Microsoft Word, but not us. Today, we're giving your document a little brainpower upgrade. Stick with me and I'll show you how to add page numbers uniquely to your documents and a touch of flair too. Follow along with me carefully and you'll see it's actually pretty easy. First, we're going to lay the foundation for our page numbering. That means dividing the document into sections. Step 1, place your cursor at the end of first section. In my case, that's the cover page. Now, go to the Layout tab at the top, find Breaks, then under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. Next, head over to the Home tab. Click on the little strange-looking symbol under the paragraph section. This will make your section break visible. All right, moving on. Double-click at the bottom of the page to open the Header and Footer tab. From there, locate Page Number and choose Bottom of Page. At this point, you'll see all the pages are numbered, but don't panic, stick with me. Notice how the footer says Section 1 and Section 2. We're going to unlink them. So go to the footer of Section 2 and deselect Link to Previous. Looks like nothing changed, right? Don't worry, just stay with me here. Now, our second section should end right before the introduction. So let's create another section break, this time at the end of the table of contents. Double-click inside and add that section break. Now, let's fix the page numbering properly. First, erase the page number on the cover page. Then move to the next section, go to Page Number again. Choose Format Page Numbers, change the number format and set it to start at I. Notice how Section 2 now has Roman numerals? Perfect. But we're not done yet. Section 3 is starting at page 5, but we want it to start at page 1. So here's what we do. Place your cursor on that page number, and again, deselect Link to Previous. Now, go back to page number, choose Format Page Numbers, and set it to start at 1. And there you have it. Section 3 begins at page 1, just like we wanted. Now, all our pages are numbered uniquely by sections, exactly the way we wanted to set it. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to see this mustache again, hit that subscribe button for more short, reasonable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.